Hi everyone, welcome to my Facebook page. If you don't know me, my name is Chris with Daily Dose of DIY, and today I am excited. We're going to unbox the Cricut Crafters Club July box. I can't wait for you guys to see what's inside that we got to craft with this month. If you're a subscriber, hop on and say hi. Let me know if you got your box. I'm showing about, as of today, 90% of them were delivered. So if you're one that doesn't have it yet, I think that's mostly the people on the West Coast. You might not want to watch this because I'm going to show what's inside. So let me know, if you're a subscriber, what your favorite thing is in the box. As we show everybody, pop on in and say hi. I see Sandra, I see Mary. Hi guys, thanks for joining. I see Sue. Thanks so much for being here. With this box with July, first, my goal is with the Cricut Crafters Club is I want you guys to try new blanks, do things that you might not have used before. I want you to try new materials, and I want you to learn new things. And everything that goes in the box has a criteria by me that you're either going to be able to use it, decorate with it, gift it, or sell it. It's got to meet one of those things, that it is what we make is going to be good enough to gift or sell if it's maybe not something you particularly like. Hi Wendy, and hi Sandra again. I'm excited for you to get started too. So if it's not something you particularly like yourself, I hope you learn something new and it will be good enough to gift or to sell. So for July, I don't know about you guys, each box also follows a theme. So the theme for July is summer, and my family spends a lot of time at the lake in the summer, especially in July. It's hot. It's been over 90 degrees a lot already here. We go to the lake a lot, and my parents have a pool, so we're there quite a bit too, but most of the time we like to go to the lake. So we're carrying our towels, maybe carrying our books, carrying snacks, carrying drinks, and on the road to the lake almost every weekend. It's so much fun. But that was my inspiration behind the July box, is just going out and having that summer fun. So I am going to switch cameras now, and we'll take a look at the box. Okay, here it is. Again, if you're one of the less than 10% that hasn't gotten it yet, you might not want to look. But when you open the box, you will see, first off, you get an insert that has just a little thing about what the box is, the contents that you'll find in there. And then there's a QR code you can scan, or the website you go to, because each box also comes with the full video tutorials on how to make the things in the box, plus at least 10 Svg files. This month it was about 15 Svg files. I think I will show those at the end too. So our materials, this box is using Cricut infusible ink. And I chose infusible ink because so many people haven't tried it yet and they're intimidated by it. And once you get the hang of it, it really is fun to craft with. At first, I wasn't a big fan either, but I've learned some tricks to make it work well. So this is in the color pattern Watercolor Splash. So there's this pink sheet in here and a watercolor splash sheet in here with purples and teals and pinks, and it's just fun summer colors that we are crafting with this month. Next, you'll see a hat, and I'm sure you'll think, how in the world can you use infusible ink on a hat? This is a fun distressed teal hat. I put a hat in there because when I am at the pool or in the beach, sunglasses does not cut it. I need something to keep the sun out of my eyes and out of my face. So how we can use this with infusible ink is something that's quite trendy right now, is to add a hat patch. So that is in one of these little bags, a hat patch, and then the heat adhesive you need to make it stick to the actual hat. So I have a picture here of what this would look like. I can find it. Finished. And that's what it looks like with the infusible ink using one of the SVG files that we provided this month. Put onto the hat patch and then the patch onto the hat. That is so cute, don't you think? Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if you just love that hat and you can't wait to wear it to the beach. So I'm going to put that aside. The other thing in here is also heat transfer tape. I want to give you as much as the things you'll need that I don't think you already have that you'll need to make the crafts in this box. So heat transfer tape is one of those things, or heat resistant tape. I'm sorry, I'm saying that wrong. So we can tape down the infusible ink and still use our heat press and the tape won't melt. So that's something very important you have with infusible ink that's in the box for you to use. The next little thing, hi Tina, I'm so glad you love the hat. In here is car coasters. I can get them out of the little bag. That you can put in your car drink holder. I'm not sure about you, but my van, where the drinks go, that kind of gets nasty down in there. So whoever invented car coasters, I just love them because they're easy to pop out. Much easier to pop out and clean a car coaster than to clean inside where the drinks go. These are thick rubber, so they're very nice, and they have that coating on there that we can put infusible ink. I will give you a picture of what that looks like finished. There they are in my van, and one of the SVGs for the car coasters that we made says, if you can read this, we need to stop for iced coffee. That has been very true for me lately. I don't usually drink iced coffee, but it's been so hot that I have been quite addicted to iced coffee lately. Afternoon pickup that I need. The other thing in this bag was a sticker that says, don't forget to mirror, because as you're working with infusible ink, you need to mirror it just like you need to mirror heat transfer vinyl. And infusible ink is more expensive than heat transfer vinyl, and I've messed up more than one project forgetting to mirror infusible ink. That's one of the things that was so frustrating to me in the beginning, is how much money I wasted not mirroring my infusible ink. Also give you a little sweet treat, a sucker to suck on while you're doing your crafts. And another sticker that says I can totally make that, because if you complete this box, you've earned the I can totally make that badge for the month of July. And finally, we have a tote bag in here. I'm going to open it up, see if there's enough room to see it in the camera, so that you can take all of your things to the pool or to the beach or in the car for your summer road trips. I like this bag, and I chose it particularly because it zips, so your stuff doesn't fall out. That was one of the key components of this bag. The other one is it's lined. Let's see if I can open this up so you can see inside. It's huge, so you're going to be able to fit a lot of things in here. And it has a liner, so it's much more sturdier than your typical canvas bag. And even though it has a liner, I tested several bags for this box. It will not melt when we use heat transfer vinyl, or the infusible ink, or heat transfer vinyl, either one, which is a big plus because I melted quite a few bags doing those tests. But this one stood up to the time and temp we need for infusible ink. I'm just looking here to see where the picture is of the finished one on that one. It looks like it's this one. Yes. So one of the SVGs says Summer Vibes. On this one I used the water splash for the background, and the Summer Vibes I put in pink. And you can see my bag, I have 4 big size beach towels in that bag. There's still room for books and snacks, bottles of water, whatever else you take to the beach or on your road trip with you. This bag will hold a lot. It'll be good for going to farmers markets and all kinds of things you'll be able to use with this bag. Let's get that picture off of there. Wrong picture I took off. Let's see here. I don't know why the bag one's so hard to find. So, in your July box, we got the tote bag. We are working with infusible ink. We also made car coasters, got some stickers, our hat patch and the material, plus our heat resistant tape. Let's see if we can get that back in there. And finally our summer ball cap. There we are. Some of the ladies in our club, oh, I also wanted to show you the Svg files that were provided this month. There were 15 of them. My face is covering some of them. So can I move them? So the car coasters, you could choose from road trip, summer fun, or if you can read this, we need iced coffee. We had some about the beach, summer vibes, lake hair, summer hair, some about the pool, salty hair, don't care. That one's one of my favorite ones. All kinds of fun SVGs you can use. Of course, you can choose your own too, but these were all provided with commercial use. Plus, you get the video instructions on how to use them all. I also wanted to show off some of the crafters in our club. This was made by Penny Caruth. I think I'm saying her name right. She did a great job. She used a different SVG for her bag, but her hat turned out great. Again, I'm blocking it. She chose summer fun and road trip for her car coasters. I just think I love the flower on that bag. It shows that how you can use for different things too if you don't normally go to the beach. And then Laura also shared hers. Hi, Katie. Hi, Nicole. This is Laura Cunningham's, and she chose she chose road trip for her car coasters. I like where she cut the infusible ink, the splash, in a different place, and then she also used summer hair, don't care on her cap, but she also did a fantastic job. Finally, for this month, you go to my controls. Oops. I keep hitting the wrong pictures to go off. There we go. I am going to give you a sneak peek for August. I'm opening up a few other boxes for August. So if you want to get on the wait list for the Cricut Crafters Club, you can do 2 things. Either type link in the comments, and then you will get a link through Messenger that will send you to the sign up page for the wait list, or you can text club if you prefer to text club to 419-318-8467. And we will have about 50 more spots open for August. The boxes will ship on August 1st. And here is your sneak peek for August. Let me get the club thing out of the way real quick so you can see the whole thing. That is our sneak peek for August. It's one that, hi Nicole, if you want added to the wait list, type in link in the comments and I'll send you a link to the wait list. Or let me pop this phone number back up. You can text club to 419-318-8467. So this is the sneak peek for the August box. It's one that I am super excited for. I have the boxes planned out for the rest of this year. I'm going to be testing some materials. Sorry, I'm trying to figure that out. There we go. I keep choosing the wrong pictures to go off the screen. I am going to spend the next hour or so testing materials for October, November, and December's box, and I'm excited to do that, and I'm excited to show you those sneak peeks. We're just going to have so much fun. So if you would like to join us again, you can either comment link, and I will send you through Messenger a link to sign up via email so you know when the boxes are ready. Or you can text CLUB to 419-318-8467. I'll probably be opening them back up in the next week. We've got 50 boxes that I'm adding for August. So we will have 50 spots available, and they will ship August 1st. So thank you everybody for being here. Thank you Nicole and Katie, Tina, Wendy, Sandra, and everybody. Sarah, I can't see all the names, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. I'm going to do a tutorial live at the same time on infusible ink with tumblers. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to do that since we're doing infusible ink this month. All right, I will talk to you guys all next week. Have a good evening.